We've all been there. You have a frustrating coding bug, a blank page that needs a story, or a pile of research, so you hop on Mime and ask an AI chatbot for help. It feels effortless, like a direct line to every answer in the world, but there is a hidden catch. Every time you ask a question, you are essentially renting time on a massive corporate server. You have to hand over your private data, and if your Wi-Fi drops, the helper disappears. But imagine cutting the cord and removing the big tech companies entirely. Imagine taking a super smart AI brain and installing it directly inside your own computer forever. Building your own local AI gives you ultimate free control over a digital genius. To pull it off, you just need to understand one physical rule about how your computer handles information. Every computer has a special high-speed workspace called graphics memory, or VRAM. Think of this space exactly like a clean, empty physical desk. An AI model is essentially a massive stack of thick rulebooks filled with knowledge. Developers call these rules parameters. When you ask your AI a question, it needs enough empty space on that desk to spread those books open and quickly flip through the pages to find your answer. It's a simple relationship. The smarter the AI is, the more rulebooks it comes with, and the more desk space it demands to function properly. If you download a giant AI onto a normal laptop, the stack of books spills straight off the edges onto the floor. That floor represents your computer's much slower memory. It has to physically reach down to read them. That distance causes the AI to work in agonizing slow motion. It can take minutes just to generate a single word. To keep your responses coming in instantly, you have to ensure your stack of books never leaves the top of the desk. Thankfully, developers have created a clever way to shrink massive models into a manageable size. It's a process called quantization. Quantization is like taking those giant, heavy encyclopedias and squishing them down into summarized paperbacks. You lose a tiny fraction of extreme detail, but the AI becomes incredibly fast because the entire stack now easily fits on your desk. This squishing process allows an everyday laptop to run an AI that used to require a massive supercomputer. There is a second trick to saving space. It involves managing something called the context window, which is just the AI's short-term memory for your current conversation. Think of this short-term memory as neon sticky notes. Every chat detail gets placed on the desk, taking up room. By setting a strict limit on the sticky notes it keeps, you save precious desk space for the rulebooks. By squishing the books and limiting the sticky notes, you can perfectly tune a massive intelligence to run at lightning speed on your specific hardware. To easily download and run these models, you can use a free program called LM Studio. Think of it as a specialized digital archive for every AI brain currently available. Search for the AI you want. Before hitting download, the interface shows exactly how big that stack of books will be. It lets you browse for you, taking the guesswork out of setting up your own local AI. Now, you can type a prompt into your newly downloaded local AI and watch it generate line after line of text instantly. There are no monthly subscription fees draining your wallet, and you never have to wait in a server line behind thousands of other users. You gain total privacy. You can code a private project or write a personal document completely offline, whether you're cruising on an airplane or sitting through a power outage. The level of intelligence previously hoarded by massive tech companies is now sitting securely under your physical control. Building a private AI all comes down to knowing your computer's desk size, squishing the rulebooks to fit, and keeping the floor clear. The only question left is, what incredible tasks are you going to teach